Now we have Group C that include Miss Zainab and Miss Tayyaba. They are gonna tell us about some exam preparation techniques. Now be careful and listen to them what these techniques are. And these I think these are very helpful techniques that will help you in your upcoming test. Now let's listen to them what they say.
Hello, Tayyiba. I know you are feeling a bit overwhelmed about studying for the upcoming test. Let's talk about some simple ways to start, okay?
Yes, Zainab, thank you. When I open my textbook, I just don't know where to begin.
That's completely normal. The secret is to start small. Let's try the note card method. Think of note cards or flashcards as small helpers instead of trying to memorize or a whole chapter. You only focus on one important piece of information at a time.
How do I use them?
Take a card on the front, you could write the question on, for example, in science, you could write, what is the definition of a cell? On the back, you write the answer, the building block of all living things.
Oh, I see. So I only focus on a few cards each day?
Exactly, you can carry them with you and test yourself. You have a few free minutes. The power of small chunks. Next, let's talk about time. Do you study for a very long time until you get tired?
Yes, sometimes for 2 hours straight, and then I feel too tired to remember anything.
That's too long. Your brain needs break. Let's use the 20-minute rule.
What is that?
Set a timer for 20 minutes. For those 20 minutes, you do nothing but focus studying. No phone, no music. You take a 5-minute break, stand up, walk around, or get a drink of water.
That sounds much easier to manage.
It is short focus sessions are much more effective than long distracted ons. Explaining it out loud. My last tip is the best way to check if you really understand something. It's called the teach it method.
Teach who?
Teach anyone, teach your younger brother, your pet, or even just an empty chair.
So I pretend to be the teacher?
Precisely. Precisely. If you can explain it clearly, you know it. If you can get stuck, you know which part is go back and study again.
Okay, note card and 20-minute study chunks and teaching it out loud. That's feel like a plan I can actually follow. Thank you, Zainab.
You are welcome, Tajiba. Remember, consistency is key. Use these simple steps every day.